This is our playground. From a distance, it looks fine, but up close, it's covered in peeling surfaces, exposed screws, and jagged, rusty metal.
It's a little bit rusty and the paint's coming off and sometimes there's even sharp corners.
Last month, the swings were cut down due to being deemed dangerously unsafe.
It kind of feels unsafe because there's like sharp corners and there's rusty, and
over the summer, the Big Toys Bridge collapsed.
I'm scared because there's not enough wood chips on the ground, and I'm scared if I fall, I'm gonna get seriously injured.
Everywhere, there are exposed rocks, sharp corners, and concrete patches.
I know that I'm gonna get hurt again or someone else will.
Please help us make our playground safer.